Hi, this is our core learning course by example, and today is the day 34. I will guide you how to print out Fibonacci series in Java. Okay, so in this demonstration today, I will allow the user to enter the length of the Fibonacci series from the keyboard by using the scanner in Java to listen the data enter from the keyboard, and after that we will use that length entered by the user to do the calculation and print out all of the Fibonacci series into the Java console window. Okay, so now let's start this. And this is a clip we were using to work with in another video. And so now I will go ahead to create a new class inside the main package. And after that I will name it the print Fibonacci. Print Fibonacci series. Okay, and I will select the main method. Okay, comment import until. Okay, so here I will create scanner and say equal new scanner system dot in. Okay, so now I will print out the message. Please enter the length of the Fibonacci series. Into the input number equal as those in. Okay. So now we are going to create an array for the series number. Integer. Okay, so here I will name it either number. Series number. Okay, so here I will create should be the input number. Okay, here I'm using the for to input number e. Okay, here so we are going to the number should be equal sum of flat to number Okay, so here after that we print out the message. Out of print line 0 people see here. For input number it should be print in online. I have print here, so we sorry, number I. So here we add the space after the number. Okay, so it seems we have finished. Okay, change this one a little bit. Okay, so now run the application. Here, so here, firstly I have to enter the length of my Fibonacci series. Here I will go ahead to enter the 10. Or here, so you see here, after I enter the 10 here, it will calculate the Fibonacci data. But here it is displaying the 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 0 value. That means we have some issue with the coding. So we have to recheck it. Okay, so here we have to add some the value for the 0 and 1. Okay, number 0 0. Okay, so now let's try to run it again. Enter 10 here. Okay, here, so after you enter some the default value for the first and the second element in the array, so the Fibonacci series seems displaying right on the screen. Okay, so let me see 0 1. It have some 1. Okay, with 2 3. Okay, cool. So it's working fine, and I will run it a bigger number here. It's very long. Okay, so I think that's all for today. After you finish this video, you know how to work with the Fibonacci, and of course you know how to allow the user to enter the length of the Fibonacci series, and after that you based on the that series series number to display it on the console window. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.